Right, you ready for the mileage then?
Yes. So what are you going to do? You're going to get to 30.
I'm going to get 230.
Yeah.
230. Get it? 230.
Yeah. Chinese dentist.
Right, I'm going to try get to 30. Right, so I'm going on now. I got to wait these because there's a load of gum leads. Look there. Right, okay, he's gone that way. Right, now I'll give you 30 on my speedo. Right, I'm coming up to it now. I'm coming up to 30. I'm on 30 now. Maybe slightly ahead.
So am I, pretty much. Just over it now, 32.
Well, that bloody speedo's on the money. Absolutely perfect. I must be doing, I don't know, whatever it is now.
45 is saying here, holding steady.
What, 35?
45.
Do you know, it feels faster. Do you not notice that? You feel you're going a lot faster.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel that I'm going about 90. When really we're doing about 40. I think it's because the noise, the car, the general ambience of an Aston.
The ambiance.
I mean, you can feel it. I mean, I'd like to do a 0 to 60. Now that would be an interesting one.
But you'd have
is
to
that
have...
camera stopped or is it
No,
going?
it's still going.
I'd like to do a 0 to 60, wouldn't you?
Yeah,
The
but
hell's that?
you'd have to have somewhere where
What's
you...
that noise?
Something in the boot, isn't
No. It was when I went round the corner.
it? I just figured it was the boot.
No, it was when I went round that corner the other way. It made a raunchy, like, noise. I mean,
Weight on one side on that corner.
no, well, it shouldn't do because it's got a force linkage on it. So there should be nothing. I mean, obviously, to go back down the drive, now we've got an extra 10 kilos in it. Yeah, that noise.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that noise. It made it
Something
worse
rattling,
when I
isn't
went round. When I came around this way, it was really rattling. Could be exhaust. It could be an exhaust.
Yeah.
Definitely something in the back. Well, I'll find it. Should see some witness marks. Mind you, the exhaust probably won't be on it when we get down here anyway. It won't have an exhaust.
No.
Yeah, you'll suddenly hear it go like the E-Type did. It'll suddenly go boom. Yeah, I'll tell you what I was going to say to you quickly. When is the transport extravaganza? Because you have to book in.
Which one? Well, the one we went to
Well, not
last
the
year?
Westbury one, but the Westbury.
The
You know,
Lions Club one.
yeah.
That's not until September.
No, but what about the other one?
The other one, well, if they're going to do it,
He is going to do it.
It's July.
He was in the magazine. He said it's this month, I think, or in April. He was one of the first always.
Who, what? My mate Will.
Yeah, Will. That's why it was always the weather was so bad.
Well, then there would be it would have the signs up then to say that it was going on.
It was quite low key. I thought he did. I don't know.
Wow.
But it was then, you know, we need to get to Bratton. If I keep the one wheels on the curb, I can actually come down my own drive without losing my exhaust pipe. Oh, there you go.
Only gentle.
Funny how you always rip the exhaust off right at the very end.
Indeed. Most accidents happen within so many hundred yards of your own.
Ah! Ah! Right, now we have got a problem. I said to you, if you leave the cooling fan on,
Yeah.
you can't turn the engine off. Which I think will do a power no good to the alternator.